Hi guys, it's Nancy with Stamping Before Anything Else, and today is Make It in Minutes Monday, and we are going to be making this cute, adorable little card right here. And the inside looks like that. I'm going to do a little bit of different coloring on here. I'm not liking the black hooves, but of course, if you guys like that, go ahead and make it this way, but I'm going to color it a little bit differently. Pretty much the same thing, just changing the color of the hooves. Anyway, we're using the Warm and Toasty stamp set, and I've already got the reindeer, the snowflakes, and then our sentiment for the inside already on blocks. We're also going to be using our winter snow embossing folder. Love this one, so pretty. And we're also going to be using the Stitch So Sweetly dies. We use the the third and the fourth from the smallest for our mats. And I went ahead and took the liberty of die cutting everything ahead of time, just so that we got a little bit more time for coloring. So again, here is that embossed piece of paper right here with the snowflakes. Isn't that pretty? Love it. All right, then we got our Designer Series paper that we took it from the Plaid Tidings Designer Series packet. It's a 6x6 packet of paper, and it's got many different designs that you can choose. This one, for instance, could be for the Halloween theme. Many different ones in there. Here's our Blackberry Bliss piece that we cut out, and good Lord, can't talk. Here is our Black Bliss piece of paper that we already die cut. We did this on Whisper White as well. We have our card base, which is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then we took some of the shimmer ribbon, and it's gray, but when you put it with this, you really can't tell. It just looks like a shimmer, kind of like a really nice soft plum color, actually, when you put it next to it. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to stamp our reindeer. We're going to be using these 3 inks today, and we're just going to stamp our reindeer right away, just because I want to get it to dry, the ink to dry just a little bit. And one more piece, we're going to be using a 4 inch by 5 1/4 inch piece of paper for the inside. We're going to take our Blackberry Bliss, and then we're going to take our Rich Razzleberry. This right here is our Stamp and Seal. So now we're going to adhere our Whisper White piece with the snowflakes. Then we're going to take our Designer Series piece. Now we're ready to do some coloring. Right here, I got the light and dark crumb cake, light and dark Blackberry Bliss, and then we got the dark smoky slate that we're going to use for the hooves. Okay, we are all done doing our coloring on here. Now we're going to tape this onto our Blackberry Bliss piece. Perfect. Now, I like to tie faux bows. So what I'm going to do is, what I should have done before I adhered is I should have taped this so I could wrap it around the ends, but that's perfectly fine. What we're going to do is we're going to take one of these ends and we're going to put a glue dot on it. This also helps conserve some of your ribbon as well. We're going to put that directly on there, okay? And then I'm going to take a scissors and I'm going to go in here and cut that end off, just like that. So now I'll take another glue dot and lay that straight down like that. So it looks like I have it wrapped around. Then I'm going to take out my handy dandy little bow maker. And now we're going to pop that up on dimensionals. Take another glue dot. Now what I did for embellishments is I used some of these self-adhesive snowflakes. They're in the annual or the mini catalog as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this card. Hope you're having a wonderful Monday. And if you did like this video, make sure to please give it a thumbs up and make sure to just subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And again, for measurements and pictures, be sure to visit our blog in the description below. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.